Okay, so hi everyone. So here we go again at our introduction to computer application lab exercise 3. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to compile our practice workbooks into one main workbooks. So, so let's go. So first of all, we need to open the main workbook. So right here, I have the main workbook right now. So as usual, you fill in your name, metric number, and also of your group. So alright, so now we will be compile the practice workbook. So we will be compile accordingly to the topic. So let me open the folder first. So right here is my folder. So as we know, for the first topic of our what we call our practice is cell basic. So I'm just going to open the cell basic practice. Alright, so here we are. Here the cell basic practice workbook. So I'm just going to minimize it so as you can see clearly. So how to move the worksheet from this workbook to the main workbook. So we right click on this worksheet, so we move or copy. Then we must select it to book. Okay, so we selected the main file book here. As you can see, I copy to the main workbook. So please remember to check tick the create a copy because we don't want to lose our original file. So in case if there anything problem, we still have the backup file. So please check the create a copy button, and then we move to the end. So press OK. So the remaining sheet we can just delete. Example, this sheet 1 you can delete it, and also this sheet 2. So this is our what we call our cell basic practice. So we just going to rename it to cell basic. Alright. Now we done for our first topic. Now I'm going to show you what if we have the multiple worksheet on some practice workbook. So I'm going to show you some example from this multiple sheet practice. Right. As you can see, we have the multiple worksheet that we already modified, right? So we just need to copy all of this worksheet. So how to do it? Just left click to the first worksheet, which is the worksheet of January, and then we click the shift button while pressing the left button, left click. So okay, right now I'm holding the shift button. So and then I'm going to click the expand summary tool, which is the end of the worksheet. So as you can see, our worksheet are now in highlight or group. So right click and move or copy. So as usual, move to our main workbook file, move to the end, and don't forget to create a copy. Press OK. Alright, so right now we are in the workbook, main workbook. So we're going to just to rename it. So I'm going just to rename it as a multiple sheet. Multiple sheets 1. And rename it to multiple sheet 2, and so on until we complete it to the last of the chapter or the topic. So how do I differentiate it? For this to make it our lecture easier to find out. So I'm just not going to touch this worksheet color because it's our part of work that we used to do back in this worksheet. So I'm just going to shift holding shift button and move to the expand summary tool. Now they are in group, but in group. So right click. I'm just going to pick the color of what we want. Let's say I want the purple color. So right now, we can see that all of these chapter are in one color, except for these two, lah, because that's our originality exercise that we do back then. So yeah, and then we just moving on until the end of the topic, which is the what if analysis. So if there are some multiple sheet, then just copy it and put it uh, into the main workbook file. Right. So next, I'm going to show you how to put the header and footer. So in guideline, we need to put our metric number in middle header and page number at the footer using the page number of pages, page 1 of 2 example. So we need to do it manually for each worksheet. So right now I'm in the cell basic topic. So we're going to the tab. Um, we're going to search the header and footer. Alright, so yeah. Okay, right now we are in the header and footer section. Okay, remember we need to put the metric number at the middle. So I'm putting the number and also the page number. Okay, what if the orientation of our page layout became like this? We just need to make it back to normal. So make it back to landscape. Alright. So right now, we need to put the page or number. So go to put footer, and then select the page 1 of question mark. So we can see that this page will be page 1 of 1. Just keep this like this. There are a lot of pages right here, but don't bother about it. So same goes to the other worksheet. So our final result will be like this. So this I already done. This is for the first topic and so on. Okay, there are a lot, multiple sheets here. Keep doing it until what if analysis, and also continue do the this practice until the formulas practice, which is this until 24, and also combine it or compile it to the main workbook file. So that's all from me. If you have anything question, just PM me at WhatsApp. All right.